determine the limit of the following function. So we need to try and do direct substitutions. If we substitute the infinity, therefore minus, we will have ln, uh, let me just say infinity. So this is an indeterminate form, the one that we have. So we cannot define what is that. Let me write it in this way. So maybe let me specify uh, undefined. It is undefined. So which means we need to try applying type of rules that we know, or we try and apply a L'Hopital's rule. L'Hopital's rule. So we need to apply L'Hopital's rule. When applying L'Hopital's rule, we need to try at least and have either a fraction in the function that we're having, at least maybe a fraction or a product. So it's either we have a product or a fraction. So what we need to do, let's try and take out the common factor. And I'm looking into this. Okay, x approaches infinity. Let's try and take out the common factor of x. Because when I'm looking into ln x, it's more complicated. So if you take out, we have x into. So if we divide by x, we're left with what? 1 minus. And then for ln, we'll have ln x all divided by what? Divided by x. Then we have that. So you're reminding me something. There's a rule that we can apply. The rule that we can apply. But I think it's part of that part. So a rule that we can apply, we need to try and find the limit of the inner limit. Let's say for what we have inside. So if you try and find a limit, let's say when, let me in the meantime and apply it in this way. Let's say we still have limit when x approaches infinity, we still have that x there. So what we want to do, we want to try and find an inner limit of the function in there. If let's say we want to substitute, okay, let me write it in this so not to skip it. So I want to find the inner limit. So x approaches infinity, inner limit. So where does x, x, we must substitute infinity. The same thing with that. So we have ln x divided by x. So, but what is happening there? So if let's say now you substitute, if you want to substitute x where there's 1, I hope you see there it's like x to the power of 0. So anything to the power of 0, it's 1. So limit for this one, it will be 1. But when we substitute in this one, for an example, if we look in, can I say in, so you can remember. When we look into, let's say we want to substitute where there is x in ln x, will have ln over infinity. So we still have an indeterminate form, infinity divided by infinity. So it's still undefined. So which means inside there we need to try and find what we call we need to use L'Hopital's rule. So in the inner part, we need to try and use L'Hopital's rule because for this one at least we know it's 1. But for this one, it's an indeterminate form. So which means, for an example, the inner part limit x approaches infinity. We are in the inner part there. So if you're looking into this ln x there over x, what do you get when you derivate numerator and denominator? Diverges. So it's 1 over x, derivate that denominator, we get 1. So you try and do substitutions, then we say 1 over the infinity, therefore it's equals to 1 over bigger number is, so it is 0. So which means, you just didn't want to rush it here, wanted to explain it separately. So we know that when limit x approaches infinity, for ln x over x, it is equals to what? 0. So we do the substitutions there to meet. I should have written it using this pattern. So limit when x approaches infinity. And therefore, we know for the inner part, we get 1 because it's similar like when you're derivating for x. We're using first principle at the end, we're getting 4. Whatever that you have, this when you want to substitute the limit, this equals to what you're having as a constant. But we know for ln x over x, we got 0, applying infinity down. I'm using the x there. Then still x. The x there. So therefore, when we simplify further, we need to substitute the divergence. Where there's x, substituting the infinity. Therefore, we have 1 into that. And then when you multiply, it is infinity. So that's why it is the last one there. It needed you to think. It needed you to think.